This Coldwell Banker American Home property video is presented by Annette Harper. Need a project for winter? This is a duplex ready for you. Hardwood floors have already been done. Walls need paint. Seller was in the middle of replacing plumbing. Plumbing lines need to be installed. Sewer line was replaced. Caution, bathroom floor is missing subfloor. New hot water tank to be installed. Roof about 15 years old. Washburn Rural Schools. For more information, review the details below or contact Annette Harper at 785-267-2700.